My name's Kieran Hiscox, I'm 21, I'm from Aberdeen and I work with Orchard as a production assistant.
My name's Ash and I'm 21 from Bridgend, and I work as a apprentice programmer at Cube Interactive.
Hi, my name's Hannah Deakin, I'm 20 and I come from Dinas, Paris, and for the past year I've been working at the BBC. I've mainly been researching, uploading videos, creating audio slideshows for BBC World War I at home, making images for various different departments within the interactive media department. We have different teams, so Doctor Who, Sherlock, Wizards vs Aliens. I've been a part of all those teams, so quite big names within the BBC itself.
Hi, my name's Jimmy Willets, I'm 20 years old from Pontypridd. I've been doing graphic design for a company called Orchard based here in Cardiff.
I already applied for the apprenticeship as level 3, so I seen this, so I thought I'd give it another shot and I got it.
I was in uni studying chemistry. I wasn't really that interested in chemistry, I just chose it as something to do after my A-levels, but then I decided I really wanted to pursue a career in programming and interactive media, so I chose to take this apprenticeship.
For the apprenticeship, I was in college, in Cardiff in the Vale College, studying a graphic design course. So I left that early to come here to do this apprenticeship.
I came straight from doing my A-levels in school, straight into this apprenticeship with Cyfle.
On some days I'm more or less out filming, out on locations or on live events, and then in the office I'm doing a lot of paperwork like risk assessments.
Programming mobile games.
Day to day with Orchard, I'm either designing posters, artwork or adverts for gigs in Cardiff, or it could be anything to preparing artwork, banners, anything like that for events going on in Cardiff and further afield as well.
It was quite a good opportunity, and I spoke to my college tutor about it, and he was the one who actually persuaded me to go to finish the course before I should have and leave and go for this apprenticeship at BBC.
The university didn't really appeal to me, and this seemed like a great alternative to going to university or college or doing something else with, in further education really.
Learning on the job, getting hands-on experience is the best thing.
You get real workplace experience in a place that you may not have the opportunity to jump into a job straight away. It's a way to put your foot in the door, I guess, especially with big media companies. You tend to need quite a lot of experience to get a job there straight away. So with this, it kind of eases you in and opens the door and gets you contacts and stuff with big companies.
The hands-on experience you get while you're learning, like, to be honest, it doesn't really feel, it's not as formal as learning. You learn as you go along, as you try different things, as you give new projects. It never really feels like you have to sit down, revise, anything like that.
I would recommend it for the same people who want to go down the same career path as me.
Yeah, definitely, especially within the media industry, because it's such a hard industry to get into if you don't have a lot of experience.
Yeah, I definitely think it helps you to get a good experience of the industry you want to go in, and there's good training opportunities to help you achieve your goals.
Definitely, I think if university or college or that kind of education doesn't appeal to you, then more likely than not this is perfect for you.